Hi, I'm Tony Browton with Remax City Realty and I'm excited to show you my latest listing here in Gibsons. My phone number is at the bottom of the screen, so please call or text me with any questions about this property. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
Spectacular ocean, island and mountain views await at 71 Forbes Road in Gibsons, BC. This single owner, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom family home sits at the end of a quiet street. The top floor's open concept living space has cathedral ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, and tons of natural light. A wraparound deck provides additional living space and overlooks your backyard. The finished walkout basement is a huge space that'd be perfect for a home office or music studio. Or build a few walls to create extra bedrooms. You're less than 200 metres from Smith Cove Park, and just a little further down the street is Smith Road beach access. The beach access lets you walk down to the ocean anytime you want to go for a dip. Just 350 metres up Forbes Road is the highly regarded Langdale Elementary School. Langdale Elementary is the heart of the community and serves students from kindergarten to grade 7. The Langdale Ferry Terminal is within walking distance, which makes this an ideal home for those that commute or make frequent trips to Vancouver. Let's go back to 71 Forbes Road and tour this incredible property. This amazing view will welcome you every time you come home. We walk along the attached 2-car garage before entering via the front door. From the foyer, we're struck with the magnificent ocean and mountain view. We move through the open concept living space before stepping out onto the wraparound deck. You see the North Shore Mountains and islands. The deck has room for entertaining and for barbecuing. A side door brings us back inside. Here we get a better view of the fireplace before turning right into the kitchen. There's a big island and 4 appliances. Stairs lead down to a walkout basement that we'll explore later in the tour. Past the living room and the foyer is a first of 3 bedrooms. There's a window and a good-sized closet. At the end of the hall is bedroom number 2. There's a closet and windows that look to the yard. Right next door is the first 4-piece washroom with a soaker tub. A nearby closet houses the stackable washer and dryer. French doors lead to the primary bedroom suite. There's a fireplace and sliding doors that open to the wraparound deck. The primary suite also has a luxury 5-piece ensuite, as well as a walk-through closet. Back in the kitchen, we take the stairs down to the walkout basement. The basement has patio doors that open to the backyard and again show off that breathtaking view. This lower level has been finished and could be used as an office, a studio, or a man cave. Or pop up a few walls and create some additional bedrooms. At the far end of the space is some storage, as well as a 3-piece washroom with a walk-in shower and a big vanity. Outside is a tiered backyard with mature trees and fruit plants. The landscaped yard is ideal for gardening or just enjoying the sunshine. 71 Forbes Road has it all. It's walking distance to the beach, the ferry and the school, and has an excellent floor plan that maximises those sensational views. There's a ton of demand for well-kept family homes with ocean views. Hurry and call me today before this one gets snapped up.
So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this or any other property, please give me a call. My phone number is 604-418-2695. I'd be happy to schedule an in-person tour for you or send you any additional information that you might be interested in. Thanks very much.